Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I will take my slash out. We're going to the skate park, a bit of drifting, a bit of skate park bashing, and also my friend is coming with his Banggood RC car, and it's quite amazing. Actually, it's quite funny. It's the strongest thing ever. It's like stronger than any RC car in the world. It just does not break, except from the servos. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video. See you in a minute. Oh! Did we wait? What? Oh! Oh, that good job you have a bumper. That's all I'm saying. What the? Oh! 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 It's off. It's having to run away. Oh, it's off. That drift's so nice.
How much quicker? Are you ready?
Oh. So in this part of the video, I thought my slash overheated, but the battery actually died. It's not working anymore. I've tried to balance charge it and it's not working anymore. So it's like a 50 quid battery gone. So yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of it. This little B-Tech car, mine's overheated, so I'm just gonna have to film this. Look at that! Oh no! Oh!
No, I'm trying to go up there. I don't have any grip. Leave me alone.
What? What? You know how you get it up ramps? What you do, right, you pick it up and you throw it to the destination like when it's a boot, and then you hope it doesn't like do an F.
You bend it back.
Sounds like it's cricket.
There you go.
Put that bumper. Oh, the wheel just, I mean, you can do some stick donuts with it. Oh, it fixed itself.
Ah, there goes the mount.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it's not too long because I didn't record much of it and my slash battery died, as I explained in the middle of the video. My mate's battery died because he only has one, but it does last quite a while actually. I hope you like the 1K special video. If that's come before this, I might have uploaded this before. I don't know. I think I'll upload the 1K special. It's not that special really. It's just showing how far I've come from the start of YouTube and where I am now. If you haven't realised, I've got a new editor, and there's no. The sound used to have a delay in it, but it doesn't anymore. So I'm quite happy about that. It's really good. There's no watermark. Everything's really smooth and clean. The shed's a bit different now actually. I'm getting some things for YouTube. I'm getting a tripod. I'm getting a microphone that you just kind of plug into your phone and you pin it to your top. So the audio should be a bit louder and I don't have to scream like this. It's not screaming, but oh well. Yeah, also I made a new YouTube channel. It's called the RC Podcast. It's where me and my mates talk about different subjects in RC cars. If you want to join, send me a personal message on Instagram. Instagram is @ClaxmanRCs, or @ClaxmanRCs_official. Send me a personal DM. I'll look at your account. We'll add you to the group chat. You need to send me your YouTube URL, so I can post it on the channel. It's just like a little thing on the side of the channel, and you'll be in the podcasts. Obviously there'll be a limited amount of people, but we're hoping in the future that some bigger YouTubers, I'm not going to say yet because it might never happen, but that'll be pretty cool if we had some other YouTubers on the podcast that would just talk about random crap. Maybe we could ask them questions about them as well. You never know. It could be pretty cool, could take off, you never know. Not many people have done it before, so I thought maybe I'll try it. Yeah, I don't have much to say. Try to make the video longer. Oh god. I really need to do more videos. There will be more videos. But I need to get the slash done. I need to put some more XT90s on my other battery so I can run it. Because there's nothing wrong with it. It's just a screw came out and the battery died. That's it. So yeah, if you like this video, like it. Please subscribe, it'd really help. Try to get to 2k. It was 1k, but someone shouted me out, and now I've got 1k subscribers, so that's awesome. Yeah, like, share the video, comment, see you later.